slower. Only 66 today.
Only
66 miles an hour.
Right, just concentrate this time. Hear the prop.
I feel like it cut a bit, but that's
It ain't, it's just the prop.
Yeah, that's a bit faster, mate.
It sounds like there's some V8 in it or something.
Yeah, let me just try it. I might stop it there.
Gotta give it a bit longer time. Hold the throttle down.
It goes faster than your eyes can keep up with it.
Rubber band. Got a big rubber band on it.
That prop just sounds mean.
Nasty, doesn't it?
Sounds...
You wait till that gets on the old Geico.
I'm bringing that ring. Body might be good. Sorry, I would talk to you. I just need to concentrate. Yeah, done. I beg your pardon. Did I lose a sticker?
Did you bought ready-made or did you put it together?
Oh no, you build it.
Did you ready?
Right, are you ready?
Plastic or?
Go on then. Is it reading all satellites?